In recent news, what Dogecoin teaches us about the future of finance, how the meme combat together technology, culture, economics to redefine trading and change Wall Street forever. Dogecoin has created a new type of investors. Millions have bought into the project with little financial value outside of those who hold it. The phenomenon had crept into the retail investing and the broader markets. What started as a joke has become the poster boy for a movement that is trying to disrupt the financial sector. Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency created by software engineer Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer, as a bit of fun, has found itself caught between the whims of famous followers such as Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, Simmons, Snoop Dogg, and financial professionals who have labeled Doge as little more than a Ponzi scheme. But behind all of the hubris is a kind of an idea that the future of finance is going to be increasingly dominated by retail investors with high risk tolerance, placing bets on projects that have value financially, but more importantly culturally, to communities on platforms like Discord and TikTok. Must suddenly send Dogecoin price sharply higher after trashing Bitcoin. As of right now, Doge is trading for 25 cents and up 4.32%. That's my time.